In this video, you'll learn how to design and output the STL file of a screw-retained crown restoration for a patient that already has an implant. All of this is done in-house. Screw-retained crowns will be offered as an integrated workflow in TRIOS Design Studio. It will allow dentists to offer immediate production of screw-retained crowns on the same day, with a significant time saving and a reduction in production costs. To begin the workflow, you must define the order form. Select Abutments, then Screw-retained crown, and other details. During the scanning step, you will be asked to scan with the scan body placed in the implant. This will be used to identify the exact position of the implant, as well as which implant system has been used. In the implant detection step, you should first select the scan body that was used when scanning the patient. Click to open a drop-down list and select the right scan body. Now you need to place a point in the same spot on the scan body in the bottom right window, as shown in the bottom left one. The two images in the bottom windows will be aligned and shown in the main 3D scene. You should inspect if the alignment is correct and within the acceptable threshold. It's worth knowing that the recommended thresholds are shown on the color scale, which can be adjusted. When you have checked the alignment, click the Next button to go to the Design step, where you will design the anatomy above the gingiva. In the Design step, you'll be presented with an auto-design proposal and placement of a virtual crown. All the anatomy design tools used for other restorations are available here. Based on your experience, for optimal aesthetics, use the tools to adjust the design to match the desired effect. We recommend that you complete the design of the crown visible above gingiva so that it will look like the visible part of the final restoration. Once you are satisfied with the design, click Next to proceed. The emergence profile is initialized automatically. It can be adjusted using the blue control points. First, you need to select a suitable titanium base. The titanium bases available are only the ones that fit the implant detected earlier. The emergence profile should then be adjusted to give exactly the desired shape, considering the clinical situation and the virtual crown that it will connect with. The emergence profile can easily be adjusted by using the blue control points, while you are visually guided by the cross-section of the gingiva and crown. The green line on all the blue control points can be moved up and down by dragging the middle green point or the green line itself. Holding the control button down will allow you to move all points in reference to the implant axis. View from above to ensure the emergence profile has a shape that fits the shape of the crown that it should connect with. If the profile cut mode is selected, then the scan is placed in a position with the camera view, directly perpendicular to the implant axis, and in reference to one of the points. A point is now active and shown in orange. The scan and the emergence profile closest to the viewing direction is removed to give optimal visibility and design flexibility. All points can be adjusted in this view. Any point can be activated by clicking it. And the scan can be rotated by using the blue arrows or using the arrow keys on the keyboard. The curvature of the emergence profile can easily be adjusted by using the slider. If a point is active, then it will only change the curvature below that point, and otherwise the curvature of the entire profile. When you hover the mouse cursor over a specific point, then you can use the mouse wheel to adjust the curvature below that point. The entire profile can also be adjusted when scrolling the mouse wheel while hovering the cursor over the green line. Please remember you can return to the initial auto proposal for the emergence profile at any time by clicking Auto. In the next step, the crown and the emergence profile are merged to become the full restoration that can be fine adjusted with the available anatomy design tools. The emergence profile can be protected or unlocked. The protected surface is visualized on the restoration. Click Next to inspect the final restoration. Here, the screw hole diameter can also be adjusted. When you're satisfied and ready to produce it, click the Next button. The final restoration is then outputted as an STL file that can be transferred to the machine and software you choose to use for manufacturing. Abutment libraries that have been tested and verified as working in the application by the manufacturer are available for download from the Abutment Library page in the Settings menu. You also have the option to import any available abutment kits for the implant system that you prefer to work with. Kits should be provided by manufacturers. For the connections that are not trusted and validated, there is an option to adjust the cement space when it is needed to achieve the required fit between the restoration and the titanium base. In this video, you've learned the in-house screw-retained crown workflow for TRIOS Design Studio. We hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.